Okay, guys, so a couple of days back I came across this amazing software called Space Engine, and essentially what it is, it's a virtual universe where they have mapped every known celestial object. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I've been playing around with it for a couple of days now, and it's quite fantastic. So what you can do is that you can move around, you can change the POV, and you can type the name of the object and go to that object. So let's say if you want to go to the Andromeda galaxy, it will just take you there. It's like traveling in a virtual spaceship. So yeah, and one quite interesting thing that I noticed is that you see all these galaxies are in a single plane. So I would have thought that the planets and the stars would be in sort of a spherical shape. I mean, you can see it in the center. There's a bulge, but most of the stars that are on the outside, that are further away from the center, are pretty much in a single plane. That's quite interesting, and that's true for even Milky Way galaxy. There you go. See, it's like almost two-dimensional, and that's why you see this amazing pattern that emerges when we go take a closer look on Earth. See, on the backdrop, you see that same pattern. Isn't that quite fascinating? See that? It's in a single line, so it's because of that, because that galaxy is two-dimensional. Anyways, I mean, not exactly two-dimensional, but you get what I'm saying. One interesting thing that I want to show you guys is this Whirlpool galaxy, and it looks absolutely fabulous. Oh, look at that. I'm sure Game of Thrones people are going to recognize that. Get the reference? If not, that's fine, because it didn't matter much in the end. Anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a free software. You guys can go download it from spaceengine.com and have fun. I'm not sure if it's available on Mac. It is available on Windows. This is the Windows version. But yeah, I'll be just playing around, seeing what this software is all about. That's our sun. Bright, bright, bright. And everything is to scale. So every little star that you see every little object is to scale. Even the distances between the objects are to scale, because every other picture that we have seen, while studying or on the internet or even watching those videos, they can't really portray it to scale, because then it would not make any sense. You see how tiny our sun is, and you keep going further back, it just disappears. You can't even make sense of how how big the scales are, right? And then you see all these galaxies that just emerge, and it's just mind blowing. Look at the size. Every little dot that you see is another galaxy. Can't even wrap my head around it. Oh yeah, one more thing that I want to show you is this Pleiades star cluster. So you can even see these clusters, star clusters. And there you go. These were mapped even by the Hindu cosmology. There are supposed to be 7 stars. I mean, we're seeing more than 7 stars, but there's supposed to be seven unique stars, and they make up this Pleiadian cluster. I'm sure if you guys are into New Age spirituality, and then you might have heard this term, Pleiadian, Pleiades or Pleiadian. Anyways, that's pretty much about it. I wanted to show, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.